Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I am Natalia. In this video, I'm going to tell you about one of the fastest growing online platform for investing in stocks and mutual funds, that is Groww app. So this platform allows the investors to invest in stock markets and mutual funds. It has a user-friendly and a very simple interface, and it also has an instant paperless account opening facility. And you can also find the latest news, blogs or content related to financial market. Alright, now let's talk about the advantages of the Groww app. Number 1. Cheap discount brokers of India with a brokerage charge of just 20 rupees. Number 2. Zero account opening fee. And number 3. Zero DMAT AMC charges. Number 4. Instant paperless account opening. And number 5. Online IPO applications. Number 6. Direct mutual fund platform which helps you earn an extra 1 to 2% of returns. Last but not the least, it gives you an option to invest in online digital gold. Now, let's talk about the disadvantages of the Groww app. Number 1. Limited investment products. And number 2. No call and trade services. Number 3. They do not provide stock tips or research reports. Number 4. No margin against facility. Number 3. They do not provide any stock tips or market research reports. Number 4. No margin against shares. Or number 5. No margin trading facilities. Number 6. They do not provide NRI trading. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of the Groww application. And if you like this video and if you want to learn more about finance or how to start a business or how to invest or how to get into stock markets and mutual funds, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we post a new video. I am Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.